Imagine waking up every morning with a pit in your stomach. The stress, the worry, the weight of the world on your shoulders. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be this way? You have the power to break free, to not just survive but thrive. We're going to break down the walls of limitation and step into a future bursting with abundance. Are you ready to unleash your full potential? Let's dive in. Everything begins in the mind. The greatest barrier to wealth is often not our circumstances, but our mindset. If you believe you're destined to be poor, then you will be. Every action, every result, every triumph begins with a thought. You have the power to choose your thoughts. So how do we do this? How do we shift from a poverty mindset to a wealth mindset? It starts with awareness. Recognize those negative thoughts, those self-sabotaging beliefs that creep in. Don't just let them take root. Challenge them. Replace those disempowering thoughts with empowering ones. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," ask yourself, "How can I create the resources to achieve that?" This simple shift in language, in thinking, can have a profound impact on your reality. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out mentors, books, podcasts that inspire and uplift you. Remember, your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant in it will grow. This is about creating a fertile ground for success, for abundance to flourish. It's about cultivating a mindset that attracts opportunities, that sees possibilities where others see only limitations. Remember, you are worthy of wealth. You are capable of greatness. And it all starts with the power of your mind. Knowledge is the great equalizer. The more you know, the more you grow. Education is not just about formal schooling. It's about lifelong learning. Poverty often persists because of a lack of financial literacy, a lack of understanding about how money works, and a lack of knowledge about the opportunities available. We live in an age where information is readily available, yet so many remain trapped in the cycle of poverty simply because they haven't equipped themselves with the right knowledge. It's like trying to navigate a maze in the dark. But imagine having a map, a clear understanding of the path to financial freedom. That's the power of education. It illuminates the way, reveals the hidden doors, empowers you to make informed decisions. This isn't about becoming a scholar overnight. It's about committing to continuous learning. Read books on finance, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, seek out mentors who have achieved what you desire. Every bit of knowledge you acquire is an investment in your future. It's about breaking free from the chains of financial illiteracy, of being controlled by your circumstances rather than controlling them. Remember, the wealthy didn't get there by accident. They understand the power of knowledge, the importance of constantly expanding their understanding of money, investments, and business. They seek out mentors. They invest in their education. They surround themselves with people who are smarter than them. And you know what? You can too. This is about empowering yourself, about taking control of your financial destiny. It's about transforming from a passive observer to an active participant in the game of wealth creation. Remember, the greatest investment you can ever make is in yourself. We're not all born with silver spoons, right? But let me tell you, we are all born with potential, a fire within. And that fire, my friends, that's what fuels your skills. See, developing a skill isn't just about learning a trade, it's about tapping into that potential, unleashing the power that's already inside you. It's about finding that thing that makes you come alive, that thing you can do for hours and lose yourself in. Maybe it's fixing cars, maybe it's coding, maybe it's creating art. Whatever it is, when you find it, you'll feel it. You'll feel that surge of energy, that passion, that drive to master it. That's the beauty of skill development. It empowers you. It gives you something valuable to offer the world. And in this world, my friends, value equals worth. So find your passion, hone your craft, and become so good they can't ignore you. Now, some of you might be thinking, Tony, that's easier said than done. Explore, experiment, get your hands dirty. Step outside your comfort zone. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Mastery takes time, dedication, and discipline. Face challenges, setbacks, moments of doubt. Dig deep, push harder, come back stronger. Commit to mastery and opportunities will find you. Doors will open that you never knew existed. Embrace the journey, rise above, and create a life of abundance. Let's talk about financial security, about building a life where you're not living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worried about money. See, most people are taught to rely on a single source of income, a job, a single investment. But that, my friends, is a recipe for disaster. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket and hoping it never breaks. We live in a world of uncertainty. Jobs can be lost, markets can crash, unexpected expenses can arise. That's why it's crucial to diversify, to create multiple streams of income that flow into your life like rivers. This is about building a financial fortress, a foundation so strong that nothing can shake it. Imagine having income coming in from your job, from a side hustle, from investments, from rental properties. Suddenly, you're not relying on just one source. If one stream slows down, you've got others to support you. That's true financial freedom. Now, creating multiple income streams doesn't mean you need to become a workaholic. It's about leveraging your skills, your passions, your resources to create opportunities. It's about unlocking the entrepreneurial spirit that lies within each and every one of us. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Can you turn that into a side hustle? Can you create a product or service that people need? Can you invest in assets that generate passive income? The possibilities are endless. This is about taking control of your financial destiny. It's about designing a life where you're not trading time for money, but where your money is working for you, 24/7. It's about creating a future filled with abundance, security, and peace of mind. So start exploring your options. Brainstorm ideas, research different income streams, and take action. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that step today and start building your path to financial freedom. We live in a world of instant gratification, a world that constantly bombards us with messages to buy. New gadgets, fancy cars, designer clothes. We're told that happiness lies in possessions, in keeping up with the Joneses. But let me tell you something, that's a lie. It's a trap that keeps millions of people stuck in a cycle of debt and financial struggle. Real wealth, lasting wealth, is not about how much you spend, it's about how much you keep. It's about making conscious, deliberate choices with your money. It's about understanding the difference between needs and wants, and having the discipline to live below your means. Imagine this. You're no longer stressed about bills. You have money saved for emergencies. You're investing in your future, in your dreams. That's the power of living below your means. It frees you from the shackles of debt and allows you to build a life of true abundance. So, how do you do it? Start by tracking your spending. Where is your money actually going? Once you have a clear picture, you can start making adjustments. Can you cut back on unnecessary expenses? Can you negotiate better rates on your bills? Can you find ways to save on everyday purchases? Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest in your future. It's a dollar closer to financial freedom. It's a dollar that can help you build a life of purpose, meaning, and impact. So make the commitment today to live below your means. Break free from the consumerist trap and step into a life of financial empowerment. You know, we're not meant to do this alone. We're wired for connection, for community. And that's as true in life as it is in business, as it is on your journey to financial freedom. The most successful people in the world, they understand the power of relationships. They're constantly networking, building bridges, and fostering genuine connections. Because no one achieves greatness in a vacuum. We all need mentors, people who've walked the path before us, who can offer guidance and support. We need peers, those who are on the same journey, who understand our struggles and celebrate our victories. And you know what? We need to be those people for others too. Remember, networking isn't just about what you can get. It's about what you can give. It's about adding value to others, sharing your knowledge and resources, and lifting each other up. That's how we create a ripple effect of positive change. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Tony, I'm not a natural networker. I'm not comfortable walking into a room full of strangers. And you know what? That's okay. You don't have to be the life of the party to build powerful relationships. Start small. Reach out to people you admire, people you want to learn from. Attend industry events, join online communities, volunteer your time. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities for connection will present themselves. And remember, authenticity is key. Don't try to be someone you're not. Be genuine, be interested, be helpful. People are drawn to authenticity, to those who are passionate and driven. Building a strong network takes time and effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. It's about surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in your vision and who will help you achieve your goals. We can have all the knowledge in the world. We can have the greatest mentors, the most supportive network, the most detailed plan. But none of it matters if we don't take action. Knowledge without action is potential unrealized. It's like having a Ferrari and leaving it parked in the garage. You see, the difference between dreaming about a better life and actually living it is taking that first step, and then the next, and the next. It's about consistently taking action, even when it's uncomfortable, even when you're afraid. We all face fear, doubt, and uncertainty. But successful people, they don't let those emotions paralyze them. They acknowledge them, they feel them, and then they take action anyway, because they understand that action is the antidote to fear. So what's the first step you can take today, right now, towards your financial goals? Write it down, commit to it, and then go out there and make it happen. The journey to success isn't always easy. There will be setbacks, there will be challenges, but persistence is paramount. Persistence is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It's about getting up one more time than you fall down. You have the power to overcome any obstacle. Overcoming poverty is not easy, and becoming rich is a journey, not a destination. But with the right mindset, the right knowledge, and the right actions, it's a journey you can embark on today. You deserve success, You deserve happiness, and you deserve wealth. Let's make it happen together. Remember to subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Together, we can lift each other up and create a community of wealth and abundance. See you in the next video.